Most of you guys know that I had a 2017 Acura NSX that had almost every factory option on it, and I gave that up in exchange for this beautiful, super limited 2021 Long Beach Blue NC1. I did that for a variety of reasons, mostly because of the color. Now, this color is the same B554P as the S2000 CR in Honda's Apex Blue Pearl. That car has a ton of special meaning to me because that was the first car that really got me into the foray of all the Honda geekiness. But when I ended up upgrading to this vehicle, it was almost a completely base car. Now, all the NSXs are a base, essentially. You have different factory options that you can have, from carbon fiber exterior package to interior package, and then some one-offs. A few of the things I've already done to the vehicle, and I'll walk you around and show you what they are. But the thing that we're doing today is actually replacing the headliner. Now, I looked around on YouTube quite a bit to try and find a DIY on how to remove the headliner, and I can't find one. So let's go through this together and see if we can figure it out. I've already had the A-pillars off in another video when we were fixing a squeak in the dash, so that should be okay. We have to remove this front panel right here of the lights and the hands-free link. That should probably be okay too. The last piece is the stuff that's in the back, and that we're gonna have to figure out together. But in the meantime, let's take a look at some of the OEM accessories I've already probably spent a fortune on to accessorize the vehicle exactly how I like it. So the base NC1 does not come with a spoiler. So this is the OEM spoiler. As you can see, it's completely perfect. This was installed by the dealer. I don't have the exterior package, but I do have exterior components. On the non-carbon fiber exterior package, this is silver, so I have mine painted black. This huge diffuser comes in carbon fiber. I'm not getting that because it's so low. It'll get scraped and it's a ton of money. And to me, it doesn't really add a lot of value to the look of my car. Coming around at the front, I did purchase the OEM carbon fiber front splitter. Now, this is a fortune in and of itself. What I thought was interesting with all these pieces, they're all made in China. Go figure. But the fitment on this is perfect, and it looks wonderful with how the front of the car looks. Moving on to the inside, the interior carbon fiber gave you carbon fiber wheel around the top here. This piece, which was gloss, gave you this piece around the steering wheel, which is matte, and then we had a gloss gauge hood up here. I'm not replacing this right now. I might in the future. I'm not sure. I'm okay with this not being carbon fiber because the wheel itself is substantially more expensive, but I did replace this because it minimized some of the silver, and I thought it gave it a really nice look. This we may change in the future, but what we're going to do today, like I said, is replace this because this is just a cloth top. And we also purchased the NSX Type S A-pillars, which come in Alcantara. So those are really unique. I don't even have them yet. I'm hoping everything goes through with the order. And having Alcantara headliner with the A-pillar going into the glove box and the seats, it should give it a really good look. So we have a lot of Alcantara that's gonna match all the way through the cabin now. So let's get to work. The first things that we're going to do is remove the A-pillars on both sides. So to do that, in the prior video, there's two SRS covers here and here. We're gonna open those up. We're gonna take out the 8mm, and then we're gonna pull from the back, slide it around the headrest, and slowly come out. There are clips behind the A-pillar that we're just gonna pop off, and then the A-pillar is gonna come towards us and out. And while we wait, here is our donor Alcantara headliner. As you can see here, all OEM, even down to the sequence here. So this was September of 2016. So this is one of the earlier NC1s, which makes sense because usually only the earlier ones ended up having the Alcantara headliner. And our headliner is perfect. Obviously, Alcantara always looks dirtier on camera than it actually is, so we're gonna vacuum this up and then we're gonna get it ready to go inside. Okay, so on the side right here, there's a little pocket for you to slide a flathead into, and this will just pop off. Like that. After that, you have two 10mm that are up in here. Two. This will pull out. You have a couple clips. There's one here and there's one still in there. We're gonna unhook all the electricals. Keep in mind, always remove the negative from your battery before you start messing with electrical. With these clips on here, they do break. They're about 50 cents to replace. There's 1, 2, 3, which is still on there, and 4. So you're basically gonna rotate it towards you and then pull out. Okay, so here's our next piece. This is the sun visor. This piece just pops off, and then you have the 2 screws in here for the shade. And then so what I found out, this screw does not need to come out, just these 2 black ones, and then it pops right out. And as of right now, the headliner is just hanging. So we'll see what comes next. Okay, so that's literally it. This thing is falling right now. So what we're gonna do is, directions are to take it out of the passenger side. So that's what we're gonna do next, and hopefully it'll come right out. There we are, she's in, and it was really easy. You literally are just slipping it behind that, right there, and right there, and then we'll get our NSX Type S A-pillars and put them on here, but in the meantime, that's it. So I've got all this put back together just fine, those screw in just fine. And it looks great. All right, here's our updated A-pillars. So as you can see, the NSX Type S A-pillars are wrapped in Alcantara from the factory. This is still plastic, but everything else should look really nice. So the video's certainly winding down here. We're gonna go ahead and put these in, and I'm not gonna film putting that in. You can check the other video. It's essentially the same way that they came out. You're gonna slide in the front part first and then pivot it up to these points and then press in. The backs have these clips, and essentially you're gonna have a stud that this will push into, and then you'll put the bolts in to finish it out. So let's get this baby all finished up.